Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron clothes easily. First, always check your garment's care label to determine the correct temperature setting for the fabric. Next, fill your iron's water reservoir if you plan to use steam, which helps smooth out wrinkles. Finally, set up your ironing board on a flat, stable surface at a comfortable height to prevent back strain. Proper preparation makes a big difference. When ironing, work in small, manageable sections, typically moving from the top of the garment downwards. For delicate materials like silk or wool, always use a pressing cloth to protect the fabric from direct heat and potential scorching. Apply firm, even pressure, but keep the iron moving continuously to avoid leaving marks or burning the fabric. This method ensures a smooth finish. Tackling tricky areas requires a bit of finesse. Start by ironing collars, cuffs, and plackets from the underside first, then the top. Use the pointed tip of your iron to carefully work around buttons, zippers, and other embellishments without damaging them. Once a garment is perfectly ironed, hang it up immediately on a hanger. This prevents new wrinkles from forming as it cools. After ironing, let your clothes cool down completely before folding or wearing them. This helps set the fabric and prevents new creases. Remember to clean your iron's sole plate regularly to remove any residue, ensuring it glides smoothly and doesn't stain your garments. Finally, store your iron safely, making sure it's cool and the water reservoir is empty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.